Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Vicky B. Today I'm going to be doing this orange sunset makeup look. So if you're interested in how this turns out, go ahead and keep on watching. To start this look, I'm going to be using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. My brows are pretty simple. I just outline the bottom and line the top and then fill them in. To clean them up, I'm going to be using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 4. This is going to clean up my brows, and then I'm also going to use this as my eyeshadow primer, so it's going to go on my whole lid. The palette I'm using today is going to be by Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette. I'm going to be starting off with my transition shade, which is going to be this light brown color, and that's going to be going on my crease and then a little bit above. And within my outer V and my actual crease, I'm going to be using this dark red shade, and I'm going to be blending that out with the transition color as well. So you'll see me going back and forth with both of those colors. And once I get the color payoff that I'm looking for, I'm going to be cutting my crease with that P. Louise base again. For the rest of my lid, I'm going to be going back into that Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be using that orange shade, and that's going to be pretty much my entire lid. For the inner corner, I'm going to be using this loose pigment by Larue Cosmetics, and it's going to be called Flawless Sunset, and I'm using this with the Inglot duraline liquid, and that's just to make it stick and give me a little bit of extra shine. And once that's completed, I'm using my Inglot gel liner to do like a skinny wink. Once that's done, I'm going to be putting on some lashes, and I'm going to be starting with the face. To prime my face, I'm using the Decay All Nighter face primer, and then underneath my foundation I decided to use an illuminator by Iconic, and this was a risk for me, but I did keep it going. At first I was like, I don't think this is gonna work, but I trusted the process, and once I put my foundation over it, it all turned out well. As you can see, it's giving me like a dewy finish. For concealer, I'm using two concealers, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and then the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. The Too Faced Born This Way is more so my shade, and then the Tarte Shape Tape is going to be used as like a brightener. And then to blend out my concealer, I'm going to be using a Real Technique sponge. To set my concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Powder in Banana, and I'm just setting everywhere I put that concealer. I do let my powder sit a little bit, and then I brush off the excess. For contour, I'm using the ABH Powder Bronzer in the shade Saddle, and I'm using this to contour my cheekbones and my forehead, my chin, and then also my nose and around my lips. And then once I'm done, I'm going back with that Juvia's Place palette and using that orange shade and that red shade to add some color on my lower eyelid. In my waterline, I'm going to be using the NYX liquid liner, and this is in the color Vivid Halo. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm using that red shade. And then I'm going to be using some mascara for my lower lashes. For the lips, I'm using this NYX lip liner in the shade Urban Cafe. And then I'm going to be topping that with a MAC lipstick in the shade Creme de Nude. And then topping that with the NYX Butter Gloss. For highlight, I'm using the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brightner, and I'm just going to be using that center shade. That is pretty much it for this look. Everything that I use is going to be listed in the description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button to let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then I'll hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!